Hey guys, I want to show you something super exciting. It's sometimes very difficult to get the exact data that you need, especially if you're a B2B business and you want to reach out to other businesses or influencers in this case. So I'm going to take a real case study where I'm working with an e-commerce client and they want to find the contact information for influencers in their space. And so to do that, we need to scrape data. This is a very important lesson because a lot of times people go with super cheap data scrapers from like the Philippines or India, but if you have somebody who really knows what they're doing, you can actually multiply your results and get much, much more, even if you're still using that same person, but you've got a more efficient method to get the data that you need. So I'm going to walk through exactly how this works and show you some real examples. All right, so first things first, this is the code that you can put into Google to basically find the exact criteria you're looking for. You're looking for people on YouTube channel, so youtube.com/channel site, and then the keyword that you're looking for is painting, and I just put that as an example. You can put whatever you want, and then we want to say the criteria is it has to have over 10,000 subscribers, okay? Then we're going to use this Pokeball here, which is the instant data scraper. Right now it's pulling some kind of weird table, so I want to try another table. And you can see the table by like where it's highlighted, right? So this looks good. I scroll over here. This is the channel URL, so this is exactly what I want. Now it's going to just search this one thing, but if I click infinite scroll and then click again, I can locate the next button. So I will click on that, and then I will click the next button. And then it should know, I'm going to put a delay, so like 4 seconds, just so I look like more of a human. And then I'm going to start the crawl. And what it's going to do in theory is it's going to go through all of the pages. And yep, there we go, going through the pages. And it is going to collect all the data. So the most important data for you is going to be the URLs. I'm like literally not even going to touch it and just going to let it do its thing. All right, so it did stop after 159 rows collected. So I'm going to try again. I should download this data just to be safe. But then I believe I just hit this start crawling button. And it should work. Okay, so it didn't work because the next page... Oh, we're done. Okay, cool. Okay. So 177 results, we got 159, so something's a little bit off there, but yeah, that was all the results for this. So then I might do like, you know, arts, or I don't know, craft, right? Something like that, and then I might go open here. And I might start crawling this one as well. So let me just make sure this is working. Yep, it's getting more data, so I'm just, putting in the craft term as well. And so what I'd probably do is I'd probably make these lists and then separate them in different sheets. That way you can know what keyword you search for. It thinks we're a computer. Ban. This is so hard to see. BANDEGAL, I think. All right, and back to it. Let's get back to crawling, and there we go. And it's going to continue. Alrighty, and there we go. Another trick that I heard is if you like put A at the end or something like this, you can get a little bit more. So you just go through the whole alphabet, and then you would scroll through like that. So I would, oops, I opened a new one, but I should just open the same one, and then I should scroll. And yeah, so you would scroll, it would search a bunch of results, and then it would run out of pages. For some reason, there's like a limit to how many pages you can pull, but then you would just do A, you do B, C, D, and you do the whole alphabet. And then yeah, just keep scrolling each one. And this is just a like way faster way to get this data than having to go through and manually move it over. All right, so that was the whole process. It's a little technical and it can be confusing. If you do have questions about it and you want to see if we might be a good fit for either a consultation where I can just show you how I did this and I can just help you on your way, or I can completely take care of the whole outreach process. So from finding the data to writing the emails to appointment setting to basically everything you need, all the tech setup and everything for making sure that your emails don't go to spam. You just sit back and relax and you get sales appointments into your calendar or sometimes even sales if your sales process can be done over email. And it's just a passive process. We take care of everything for you. Click the link in the description and schedule a call and let's see if we'd be a good fit. All right. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment under this video and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks so much.